Are you ready to spin into a world where vinyl reigns supreme? Dust off those records and let's dive into the delightful realm of turntables. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or just someone who likes to groove to the crackle of analog sound, finding the perfect turntable can be as exhilarating as hitting the high note in your favorite jam. Join us as we sift through the best turntables that will make your vinyl collection the envy of all your friends. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, our pick for best budget turntable. Meet your new musical companion, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60. This isn't just any turntable, it's a stylish, wireless powerhouse that's poised to elevate your vinyl experience to new heights. With its Bluetooth A2DP profile, you can spin your favorite records and connect seamlessly to your Bluetooth speakers without the hassle of wires. Imagine rocking out to your treasured long plays while your friends nod along, wondering how you managed to make such a retro device feel so cutting edge. With a wow and flutter of less than 0.25% at 3 kHz, you're in for a high-fidelity treat. Because your music deserves nothing less. And let's not forget those two speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute. Whether you're in the mood for some smooth jazz or high-energy pop, this turntable has your back. Crafted with an anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter and a redesigned tone arm for optimal tracking, you'll feel like an audio engineer every time you drop the needle. Plus, the built-in, switchable phono preamp means you can connect effortlessly whether you're using a phono or line-level output. Weighing in at just 1 pound, it's lightweight but loaded with features, making it the perfect addition to your living space. So, dust off those records, put on your hipster glasses, and let the Audio-Technica LP60 take you on a vinyl adventure that's music to your ears. Number 4. Angels Horn H019, our pick for best all-in-one turntable. The Angels Horn H019 is your new best friend in the quest for vinyl bliss. Imagine spinning your cherished records while jamming to the latest hits from your phone, all thanks to built-in Bluetooth 5. Yes, you heard that right. Now you can groove to your heart's content without the hassle of wires. This all-in-one turntable is more than just a pretty face. It features 4 built-in speakers that pack a punch and can kick out high-fidelity sound. Want to unleash your inner DJ? Easily connect your device via Bluetooth or the aux-in port. For those epic dance parties, plug in an external speaker with an Radio Corporation of America cable and turn your living room into a concert hall. With a belt drive system and DC servo motor, you can switch between 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute like a pro, giving all your vinyl, from 7-inch to 12-inch, the royal treatment. The Precision at 3600L cartridge ensures every note is crisp and clear, while the adjustable counterweight keeps things rich and distortion-free. Crafted from gorgeous wood and metal, this stylish turntable not only elevates your audio experience, but also adds a touch of flair to your home decor. Plus, it makes for a perfect gift that'll have any music lover singing your praises. So, are you ready to hit play on the good times? Still searching for the perfect turntable? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB, our pick for best entry-level turntable for beginners. Are you ready to dive into the delightful world of vinyl? The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB is here to elevate your listening experience and make you the coolest cat in the record store. This isn't just any turntable, it's your ticket to high-fidelity audio that'll make your favorite records sound better than ever. With its direct drive DC servo motor, you can spin your vinyl at precise speeds of 33, 45, or even 78 revolutions per minute. Perfect for those family heirloom records. Thanks to its damped bass construction, low-frequency feedback is practically banished, leaving you with pure sound bliss. Get hands-on with fully manual operation, complete with adjustable anti-skate control and variable pitch, because who doesn't want to fine-tune their tunes? The balanced S-shaped tone arm features hydraulically damped lift control, so you can drop the needle like a pro. Plus, you can easily convert your vinyl treasures into digital gems using the free Audacity software. What's included? A USB cable, Radio Corporation of America cables, an AC adapter, a 45 revolutions per minute adapter, and even a dust cover to keep your turntable looking sharp. So if you're ready to start your vinyl journey, grab the AT-LP120XUSB. It's not just a turntable, it's a gateway to a world of rich sound and nostalgia that will have your friends begging to join your vinyl listening parties. Get ready to make some noise. Number 2. Fluance RT81 Elite, our pick for best turntable with built-in preamp. The Fluance RT81 Elite, your ticket to a vinyl listening experience that's more enchanting than a moonlit serenade. With premium components and a belt-driven design, it brings the artist's intentions to life, making you feel like you're front row at a concert. This isn't your run-of-the-mill turntable, we're talking top-tier record tracking. The S-type tone arm gently cradles the stylus deep in the groove, ensuring every note is as crisp and clear as your favorite artist's voice. Every spin is like a warm hug for your ears. Crafted from high-mass, medium-density fiberboard wood, the stunning walnut-finished cabinet might just make your furniture jealous. With isolation feet and an aluminum platter, it keeps unwanted vibrations at bay, so you can focus on the sweet, sweet sound of your records. And let's talk clarity. With a built-in Texas Instruments preamp, ground terminal, and gold-plated Radio Corporation of America line outputs, you're guaranteed warm, true sounds that will have you dancing around the living room pajamas optional. Included in this tempting package are a dust cover, a 45 adapter, and all the wires you need for a setup that even a tech phobe would love. So go ahead, indulge your audiophile self and treat your vinyl like royalty with the Fluance RT81 Elite. Your records deserve it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo, our pick for best turntable overall. Get ready to groove to the sweet sounds of vinyl with the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo, the turntable that transforms your music into a mind-blowing 3D experience. Armed with a sleek carbon fiber tone arm and a high-quality Audio-Technica cartridge, this beauty takes audio quality to a level that'll have you questioning why you ever settled for less. But don't let its good looks fool you. This isn't just a pretty piece of decor. With its snazzy new motor design, adjustable feet, and an effortless speed change, it's the smooth operator your living room has been crying out for. Say goodbye to the ho-hum sound of its predecessors. This baby sings like a siren. The steel platter? Pure magic. It's quieter than a library full of mice. Flicking the speed change switch is as easy as Sunday morning, ensuring you're always in tune. With the choice of the Audio-Technica 2M Red or the Sumiko Ranier cartridge, you'll be bathing in that warm, rich sound that gives you all the feels. Choose from a stunning variety of finishes to seamlessly blend with your decor, and let the Debut Carbon Evo become the centerpiece of your sonic sanctuary. Yes, it may come with a hefty price tag, but trust us, your ears will sing praises for every penny spent. So go ahead, crank up the volume, and let the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo weave its magic into your life. We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best turntables. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which turntable you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.